Hauling granite and marble isn't easy, and it certainly isn't safe if you don't have the right equipment. A well-made transporting frame is necessary for both the safety of the driver and other workers, as well as for the protection of the granite and marble. To unfold the Ardwilfe frame, simply release latch, depress foot pedal and pull nearest frame until the connecting bar fall into place. Then rotate spring-loaded locking latches until they simply lock into position. The folding A-frames includes 4 solid locking bars, each with 3 rubber-lined pads for securing loads. The auto-lock, unlock Ardwilfe lifters are highly recommended when placing tall slabs on frames, as they allow the operator to keep his hands free. After placing load on the frame, secure the load with the locking bars. The locking bars fit securely into purposely designed rack at the base of the frame and are secured at the top with 4-ton braking strain ratchet straps. When placing heavy, thick slabs of granite on A-frames, the automatic monument clamp is a good choice of lifting clamp for this purpose. Loads are secured independently on each side by the vertical locking bars. Screw the rubber-lined pads against load to prevent any movement of the load. When unloading slabs from the A-frame, before removing locking bars that secure the load, place safety post in position. The safety posts are produced from certified steel of 345 MPa and a wall thickness of 5 mm. To fold frame up, simply withdraw locking pins at each frame, depress pedal to lower wheels and push forward. Secure the frames in folded position with latch. The lowered wheels also allow the frame to be positioned on the tray of a truck or manually moved. Bolt holes in the base of the frame for optionally securing the folding A-frame to the vehicle.